Many people enjoy lemon mixed with warm water in the morning and are quite familiar with the health benefits of this citrus fruit. Far less people are aware that when they throw away the peels of the lemon, they are actually missing out on many different health benefits and nutrition for their bodies. Next time you go to throw away your lemon peels, think twice because you are missing out on the following benefits. First, lemon peels are packed with healthy vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. More specifically, they are great sources of vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and fiber. All of these nutrients help to nourish our bodies and promote our overall health. Even better, we do not have to eat a large portion of peels since they are so rich in these nutrients. Lemon peels can also help to maintain and improve bone health. As mentioned, they are packed with calcium and vitamin C. These two nutrients work together to improve the health of our bones and promote their overall health. This means that lemon peels are helpful in preventing different bone health related diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, and inflammatory polyarthritis. The peels are also great for promoting our overall heart health and preventing some heart-related conditions. Since they are good sources of potassium, they can help to maintain healthy blood pressure in our body. They also help in preventing heart diseases due to their nutrients and fiber. As well, in addition to these nutrients, the peels contain polyphenol flavonoids, which can be helpful in decreasing cholesterol levels in the body. Lemon peels can also be great for eliminating toxins from the body. These toxins can affect our energy levels during the day and prevent us from performing optimally. Since these contain citrus bioflavonoids, the peels can help to eradicate toxic elements in our bodies while also reducing oxidative stress. Lemon peels are also great for maintaining overall oral health and hygiene. As mentioned previously, they are great sources of vitamin C, which can promote the health of our gums. As well, since the peels contain rich amounts of citric acid, this can help with teeth and gum-related issues. Lastly, lemon peels can help promote weight loss and healthy weight. This is because they are great sources of pectin, which can help with weight loss. They also contain fiber, which can help us to feel more full and prevent snacking. Lastly, lemon peels are a nutritious food choice that is low in calories, making them great for any diet. Lemon peels may not sound the most appealing, but one easy way to eat lemon peels and obtain these benefits is to first put the peels in the freezer. Once frozen, you can now grate the peels and easily add them to your tea or salad, or even consume them on their own. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share.